Morning everyone. So today we are going to attempt to build a carport.
Yes.
It's nothing fancy, but in the summer it'll give me shade, in the winter it'll give us shelter. Keep saying we're going to do one, never get round to it. The driveway's all cleaned.
Oh yeah.
So
Fresh.
yeah. So where the Mini is now, there, I reckon we should put the a canopy. I bought one. I'll go and show you it. I'll get it. We're gonna get it out here in a minute. But we've got to move this Mini out of the way. I've already moved the other stuff out of the way. Just put it back there. Problem we have with this canopy is the size of it. It's too big
And too
and so it's too long and too wide, isn't it?
we have to cut it.
We're going to have to adapt it to fit. But right, let's get
It's quite sunny as well.
let's get the Mini out the way. Yeah, it's a good day for it as well. Right, let's get the Mini out the way, and we'll go and get the box and get it open. Right, there we go. Mini back there, Mercedes back there. Loads of room for us to assemble it. Well, make it fit. These pots will have to go into the back garden. And wifey said she loves that plant and it's getting ready to flower. So I've got to get that out and save it. So somehow it needs to be dug up without killing it, so she can replant it in the back garden. Because there's going to be no point in having it here. There won't be any sunlight shining on it. Right, let's go and get the box.
Just let go of it, mate.
That thing is rather heavy.
I can carry it in, I can carry it. Ow. You got it yourself now. Are you digging out? You got it yourself.
Where's my moving lunch? Can't see.
Them pots are heavy as well.
Stand here, please. No, please don't.
This one you need to not break it.
Do not break that. Oh.
There we go, just like that. 2 pots are gone. Not happy wife. And we dug that one up. There's a bit of a roots left there. A couple of bits and bobs. Spread it over as best as we could. There we go. Not too bad. That'll do the job, won't it? You look busy.
No, I just carried that in, and then the pots, and now you want me to dig a hole.
Yeah, I need the hole dug in the garden now so Mum can replant what we just took out of there. One quick trip down to the garden centre to get some compost so wifey can put that plant into that big pot. So now back out the front, get on with this. Right, here we go, unboxing it. This carport here was 120 quid. It's too wide and it's too long. Now there was a different one that we could have got, which was the right length, but it was still too wide, so I would have had to adapt it, and it was £90 dearer. So this one was only 120, and since we've got to adapt the width of it anyway, I thought, well, might as well just adapt the length of it as well, eh?
Yeah.
We'll just make it a custom size to fit in this gap, because every single one that I got was like 3 meters wide, and this section here is slightly less than 3 meters. So let's unpack it and have a look at it. There we go. There's all the bits, all the poles, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and then several amounts of them, and the actual canopy that goes on the top is here. It's rather plasticky, a bit like a gazebo plastic, but I'm sure that can be replaced the framework will be the bit that stays. Yeah, just got to work out now how to make it smaller. Let's start assembling some bits. You got this, Hubs?
Nah. Yeah, I swear it's like
Don't forget, I think what we do, we should make one end of it, right,
the
and
ones?
then see, they're the
These
ones.
ones.
Yeah, I reckon we should make one end of it.
Look, bottom left corner A. The bottom corner, see the A?
Yeah.
How is that meant to be like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then one that goes here.
Yeah. And you just push that hole in.
Yeah. Right, that's one.
Right.
Now C.
All right. Let's get some of this assembled. Yeah, that's definitely too wide. I'm having to bend that in at an angle, squashing it down, stopping it going over next doors. And that side there is right over near the front door. So that definitely needs shortening. Right, there we go. Right, I've used the grinder to cut 28 centimeters off the end of that pole. And then I measured this and re-drilled it there. And Harvey is just going to pop the clip back in it.
Where is it?
So, no, other way.
What?
V end in first. No,
Oh,
bend it inwards. No, middle.
wow.
Yep,
Really?
yep, bend it
That's
and
weird.
slide it down so this pops
Oh, I
out that
see what you're
hole.
saying,
And then we'll have, that's the first pole shortened. And then I've just got 5 more to shorten. And then that's the width of it done. And then we can work on the length. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Right. There's the first shortened pole. Popped in position. It fitted nicely.
Basically, so
And Harvey is taking the clips out of all of these ones. So we can do the same to the other 5. And there we go. The other 5 done. All with the ends back in them. Right. Now we should be able to assemble it the right width, and then I've just got to worry about the length. Right, width done. That is able to fit in between this section here, down there. Then there's the middle section, and over there the other end. But now it's going to be massively too long with those poles there. So now I've got to work out what length to do it, and where the middle pole and beam is going to go. Ideally, I suppose I'll make it in the middle, but I'm going to look at it and work out where a door might open. I don't want the pole to be where the door would open on the car, so I might make it longer this way, or even shorter that way. We'll work it out. But that's the next one to work out. Right, made a bit of progress. We've decided to keep it as long as it came. Obviously the width has changed, but the length is going to stay like this. I've put the Mini back under it and parked the Mercedes so it can just fit still on my bit. So yeah.
If you want this straight, it sits on top of the...
So we're just putting the feet on the poles. Oh look, Gabby's home. Hey Gabs.
Hello.
And yeah, it's going to be quite big, but I think bigger's better. It came with these wire and a loop thing there. So there's one there, one there, one there for extra sturdiness.
It's a little bit warmer
So
on top of my wall.
they worked out all right, even though we shortened it a bit. Just had to wrap this around the pole a few times, done 3 loops to make this short. shorter and then pull it tight.
I need juice, not Lucozade.
Yeah, it should be alright. It's rather long, but it should be quite good. Right, that is it. Final position, I think, is that's where it's going to be. I'm just drilling the holes now to screw it down to the floor. Each of these floor plates have got 2 holes. I started to drill that one, but I haven't got any. Well, I've got some screws and washers, but I might actually replace them for the stronger ones. And I'm not going to be able to fix them ones down, so it's zip tied over there to the lamp post, to the drain pipe. And all these ones will be screwed. Hopefully that'll be strong enough. Yeah. Right, there we go. It's done. Screwed to the floor. The top is on, but where I had to shorten it, the top now comes over the side a little bit. So I've sort of secured it at either end, just temporarily, but it's going to need something doing with that to make it completely secure. I don't want the wind to be able to get hold of it, but yeah, there it is. It's quite big. It comes out quite far, but yeah, should be good. Right, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, see you next time.